Well, I'm here at the Sound Devices stand here at NAB 2016. This is one of two videos that we're doing here, so don't forget to check the other video out on the website. I've got John Tatulis with me. Hi, John.
Hello.
John, now we're going to look at the sound kit side of Sound Devices in this video. Tell us what's new here at NAB.
Sure. Well, on display here we've got our 6 series of mixers, and we've got a couple of different versions. The 688 is our most capable one. We've got some new tools for it. The 688 this year has gained a automatic mixing technology called Dugan AutoMix. Many people are familiar with Dan Dugan, and he invented auto mixing back in the early 70s. And it's a great way when you've got lots of microphones to turn off unused mics so that you get a nice clean mix. And Dugan is now available directly on the 688. Going into the menu, you can select whatever inputs you want, turn those on, and have the mixer control whether those microphones are turned on and off. You still control levels and you're still mixing, but it takes all of that work of cueing microphones on and off away and gives you a great mix. It's a very powerful tool. Another thing that we've added to the 688 is the ability to scan wireless receivers when using our SL6 accessory. The SL6 is a tool that bolts onto the 688, gives you the ability to connect 3 dual channel wireless systems to it. So now you have 6 channels of wireless directly attached to the 688, and you can control them directly from the mixer. So that gives your environment nice and easy way to get into your menu. You can control all of your receivers very easily. One of the nice tools that we've added is the ability to scan. So now you can use the receivers, initiate a scan, look at your RF environment, and then select frequencies and deploy those directly to wireless receivers.
So these are updates to the 688, so if people already have a 688, they can go about getting an update on this?
Right, if you have a 688, you can download this firmware right now. Dugan is available and the scan feature is available. That requires compatible receivers. So right now the Lectrosonics SRBs, SRCs, and the Wizicom slot receivers are compatible with that.
John, that's great. Now, if people haven't been able to come and see you here at NAB, and I can see in the background you're very busy already, and they want to find out more about the 688 and the rest of your range, what's the website they can go to?
Sounddevices.com.
John, thank you very much. Go and have a look at their website, and of course you'll find out everything you need to know about the amazing product range from Sound Devices. Don't forget to check out the other video we've done here as well. The rest of the stuff we've done is on our website. It's at KITPLUS.com.